Nah, I don't have 2 crores in my bank account, but I know people who have, and I interviewed them and they gave me 5 points which helped them to reach there, to get crores of rupees in their bank accounts. I will share that 5 points in this video. Please watch till the end because each point I'm going to give you in this video is very important, especially the last point, which is super important because without that the other points are waste. If you follow all the 4 points, didn't pay much attention to the 5th point, then everything is a waste. So watch till the end. Let's get in the video. First thing that told me is it starts with a dream, and a big dream. First you need to dream, then comes the other part, okay? And it shouldn't be something that very simple one. It has to be very hard task. It has to be something very big. It doesn't matter what you want to do, but you should have a dream, and that dream, it should be something you are very passionate about. Okay, now you have a dream, then what next? It's belief. Not just any belief, a strong belief that I can get to my goal, I can reach my dream, that my dream is possible, and I am willing to work. I'm willing to go any extent to achieve that dream. So you have to strongly believe that your dream is achievable, it is possible. Without belief, everything is impossible. So that told me, no matter how hard your dream seems, first you have to believe that it is possible. Now you have a dream, you believe in that dream, now what? Now you need a plan. A lot of us don't have a plan in life, and that is the problem. We are not where we want to be. We want so many things, but we are not ready to research. We are not ready to work every day into that dream. Setting small goals, small plans every day, and working towards that goal, that is important. From that comes success. A majority of us want to become something in life, but they don't have a plan. Without plan, how is your dream gonna come true? You dreamed big, you believed that dream will be possible, and you also made plans to pursue that dream. But if you are not ready to follow that plans, then why plan in the first place? Many of us are ready to write down every kind of stuff in the paper, what they want to do, but how many of us stick to that? Here comes the 4th point, is to take action, but take action in a different way. Everyone is working the same way towards whatever goal they want to achieve. That's why most of us are not getting what they want. So what you have to do is think a different strategy, something that has not been thought before, and work towards that in your way. Don't follow others. This action is what going to take you closer to your goal. Like I said, planning is not enough. Action is the most important. A planned action cannot fail. Even if it failed, we have the 5th point. 5th and most important advice I got from these rich people is to analyze. We can see at least few people who get to the point of action, but they forget the important point, which is to analyze. Analyze if your work has been taking you towards the goal or not. You don't be worried about slow progress. You should be worried about no progress at all. Analyze every week or every month or at least every year from where you have been and where are you now, and make necessary changes in your goals, the way you planned or the way you are working according to the results you are getting from the analysis. You might have dreamed, you might have believed, you might have planned, you might have taken action, but if you are not analyzing, then you don't know if you are growing or not. So analysis is important. I hope you got the 5 points rich people had told me. On this channel you can find videos on motivation, books, success, and English improvement. If that is something you are interested in, please do subscribe and join this fam and like this video. I'll see you on the next one.